You wake up at 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and the first thing you do is that you take your phone and start scrolling. By the way, this is not phone. Scroll away on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, wasting your life, wasting your energy, wasting your time. The most valuable resource in the world. You're wasting it every single day as soon as you wake up. But you can change that. You can change that by implementing one simple habit that you can do every single day, which will make you more productive. It will make you more consistent. It will make you more disciplined. And most of all, it will help you a lot in your life. So, what is this habit I'm talking about? Before I tell you the habit that I'm talking about, I'm going to tell you about something else. By clicking the top link in the description down below, you can book a free call with me in which I'll give you free resources such as an ebook, um, templates, and motivational posters, all for free, even the call for free. Just click the top link in the description to book that call. It's a one-on-one coaching program which helps people who struggle with productivity, discipline, and consistency. And by clicking the second link in the description down below, you can subscribe to my free email daily newsletter to get daily productivity insights just like this in your inbox every single day. So do that as well. So the habit and secret that I'm talking about over here is reading books and reading books productively, not just reading books. This habit is implemented by the world's best. The world's best used to read books. That's why they were so knowledgeable. They were so intellectual because they had all that knowledge in their brain. They weren't dumb like you. They were super intelligent. They were super high IQ. Now, people aim to be people like Marcus Aurelius, Socrates, Benjamin Franklin, I don't know what they aim to be. They were all intellectual people because they read books, they learned from the wisdom of others. And I want you to do that too. And we're going to do that by reading books and reading books productively, not just reading books. So, what is the difference between just reading books and reading books productively? Well, the difference is in the reading, you just you're just looking at the book, constantly distracted, not knowing what you read it. Reading. The words just glide over your head. They just glide past you. You don't even know what hit you. But when you're productively reading, you understand every single word. Okay, this story, whatever. You understand every single word. You're extremely perspicacious. You understand every single word that you're reading. You have more wisdom. You get to implement more of the knowledge that you take in from that book by reading it productively. So, how do you read books productively? Well, the first thing you can do is to schedule time for reading. You can't just randomly take a book while you're working and go sit down and work because read and because it's productive. You can't do that. Schedule time in your day. I prefer 1 hour every single day to read and make a designated place for you to read. You can't sit on the same place you work at to read. What I personally do is I go for a walk upstairs on my rooftop and I read while walking. The sun is also shining. I'm walking as well. I'm reading focused and productively, increasing testosterone, increasing cardiovascular health, and I'm getting information in by just doing one habit, walking in the sun while reading. You can do that too. So, schedule time for reading every single day. 1 hour. 1 hour for reading every single day. I don't care if you do it before bed, if you do it as soon as you wake up, just read every single day. The second thing you can do to read faster and to read better is to use your finger. Use your finger while reading. Use your finger wherever you're reading. This way, your eyes are more attracted to things that are moving. When it will see your finger moving, it will automatically read faster. Your brain will automatically read faster. So use your finger as a tracker while reading. You can also use your pen, I don't care. But when you use your finger, you're also touching the paper. So the sensation, it creates its electrical wave onto your brain, which tells you that you have to follow the finger because it's your own body part. I don't know which sciencey shit a lot, but it's something like this because I read it in a book. I learned this from a book. That's how you become intellectual. The third thing you can do is set a weekly reading goal. Me personally, I finish a book every single week, but I don't think that I don't learn anything from it. I learn a lot from it because I think that reading a specific number of pages to achieve a reading goal, like finishing a book every week, reading a specific number of pages every single day, actually motivates you to read the book. And when you have a lot of time, when you give yourself a lot of time to read, 1 hour to read, you will become intellectual, intelligent, and wise. So set a weekly reading goal. I prefer that you set it for one book every single week. Now the last thing that I'm going to tell you about, the fourth thing, is keep a watch with you, just like this. It doesn't have to be expensive, Armani, Rolex. I don't care what the hell is saying about right now. It can be just a normal Timex, just like this. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Just keep a watch with you so you can keep track of time. So you know if you're reading too slowly. Because when you're reading too slowly, you're wasting your time. And your time is your most precious resource. Make the most of the 1 hour that you gave yourself by reading quickly and keeping a watch with you to keep track of time. So those were the four things that you can implement today to read productively, become intellectual, become productive, become wise, become respected. All those things. By clicking the top link in the description, you can book a free call with me, in which I will also give you free resources as well. And by clicking the second link in the description, you can subscribe to my free email daily newsletter by clicking the second link in the description. And remember, action over words.